So what is up guys? So today we are fixing multi-touch problem in your phone. So first you want to go to multi-touch teaser. So now test is my phone is eligible for three finger or not, one two, and when I touch third time, so this will not work. So no three, I trying with three fingers but this is not working. So first what you want to do is go to setting, and last you want found micro intelligence, and this is take three ready shot with three fingers of them like this, and now test see 1 2 and 3. That's why your phone is not working for three fingers. And thanks for watching. That's all for this video, and like this video